often ask, what is a good series for me to get started with yoga as a pure beginner? And this really depends on what is bringing a person to yoga. Sometimes people come to yoga for general health and well-being or just to try something new. But other times people are going to yoga because they've been recommended by a doctor to do so. And so for people who are just generally looking to try yoga, try something new, and just enhance their overall well-being, I suggest a gentle hatha style practice. And so a gentle hatha class will expose someone to the basics of yoga, and it's a kind of simplified, steady style of practice that really helps a new student to yoga learn how to integrate their breathing with the postures. Now, breathing into the body and experiencing that in yoga is really a fundamental skill. And so it's nice to go into a kind of simple practice, such as gentle hatha, to gain that skillfulness in breathing. From there, someone can take that confidence about the basics from that gentle hatha format and then begin to explore new styles. For people who have been recommended to try yoga by a healthcare practitioner, it can be most helpful to meet with a certified yoga therapist. Now, a yoga therapist will take your state of health into account, from structural health, mental, emotional well-being, and factors of your lifestyle to help create a custom yoga plan that's specifically for you. If you have no experience with yoga, your yoga therapist will take that into account and create a plan that's really intended for you to feel better, to improve your quality of life as you continue your course of treatment.